Hello, my name is Tom, and this is Shuttle here from ISE 2020. And this year we have a new premiere. This is the D230. It's an integrated digital signage solution. It's a bar type PC, the bar type display with an integrated PC. It's based on Android, and the special here is it has an integrated camera. With this camera, it can detect gender and age. So you can show content based on your target group. So you can show, for example, here deodorant for women or deodorant for men. So the women filming me as a woman. So we see here female content. And if I stand in front of this machine, it will change to, now it will work, it will change to a man here. So that's how it works. And on the other demo here, we have content for elder man. For if this beer commercial here will be seen by for younger people, they will remove all the ads here, and that's what you can use this solution for. Just put the machine, put this device on a shelf in your store, and you can add content via mobile app or via web browser, and that's what D230 is for, a digital signage solution in this bar type form factor. All information about this machine is available on shuttle.eu.